Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of installing the Unity Hub and Unity 6 itself. This is going to be the very first step in your journey into game development, and by the end of this session you'll have Unity fully installed and ready to go. So let's get started. To begin with, we need to install Unity Hub, and Unity Hub acts as the central hub for managing all your Unity versions and projects. So open up your web browser, go to www.unity.com, and once you're there, click on the download button that you see in the center of the screen and look for the Unity Hub. Click on the appropriate download button and just wait for the file to finish downloading. So for example, if you're running a Windows machine, select the download for Windows link. Once it's done, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. This process really is pretty straightforward, and within a few minutes you should have Unity Hub installed on your computer. And that's really the very first step in our journey. So let's go ahead. Launch Unity Hub, and this is where you'll be managing all your Unity installations, projects, licenses. Before you can start using Unity, however, you'll need to log in with a Unity account. So if you already have one, just enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have one, click on the Create Account button and fill in the required details. Unity will ask you to verify your email probably, so make sure to check your inbox and confirm your account. And once you're signed in, you're good to go. And once you're inside Unity Hub, you can just take a look around. You'll see different tabs. The one that we're interested in, however, is the Installs tab. This is where we will be adding Unity 6. So go to the Installs tab, click on the Add button, and a list of available Unity versions will appear. So one of the first options will probably be Unity 6. Select it, and Unity will now give you the option to install additional components, such as the support for Android or WebGL. And if you're not sure what you need, just leave the default options selected and move on, except for one. One important component to install is Visual Studio. Unity uses C# as its scripting language, and Visual Studio is the recommended editor for writing and debugging C# scripts. So when you're installing Unity 6, make sure to select Visual Studio Community from the optional components. And if you do click the install button, just sit back while Unity downloads and sets everything up, and this will take a while, depending of course on your internet speed and your hardware configuration. But once it's complete, Unity 6 will be available in your Installs tab. And with Unity 6 installed, we can go ahead and then create a new project. So head over to the Projects tab in Unity Hub, click on New Project, and you'll be given a choice of templates, such as the 2D core or the 3D core, depending on what kind of project you want to create. So just choose the template that best suits your needs, give your project a nice name, and select where you want to save it. And keep in mind, it requires quite a lot of space, so make sure that the location that you allocate it to has got sufficient disk space. Once you're happy with your selections, click Create, and Unity will launch your brand new project. And at this point, really, congratulations are in order, because you have got Unity 6 installed, you've got the hub installed, and you're officially ready to start developing your own game. And that's it really. Today we installed Unity Hub, we created the Unity account, downloaded Unity 6, set up a new project, very briefly covered the importance of C# for scripting in Unity and Visual Studio, and now you have everything you need to start creating and experimenting with game development. This is of course just the beginning. There's much more to learn, but now you're officially on your way. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time.